Hemi, Texas. Stand up, let go. Blue thing don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dart the car. Yes, sir. Blue flame don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dart the car. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hemi like ride. Yeah. Hemi like yeah.
Hemi like 44. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yes. Yes, sir. 44 gang, what's happening, man? It's your boy Hemi like 44 back with another banger, man. You see the merch, you understand me, man. No. She already know why she closing the door. I don't know why she closing the door, but this is the whole reason why I started my vlog right now. Once again, this is the reason why I'm ready and I'm waiting. Once again, it's always the woman. Man, you feel my pain. But, yeah, so waiting on Hemiwife again. I'm ready to go. But y'all seen by the thumbnail, man. Y'all know what we doing today. What? Okay, wait. Cause you just got done screaming for no reason, son. But yeah, man, I'm about to go pick my car up right now. Let me get out of here. They got too much going on here. You know what I'm saying? Way too loud. Yes, sir, man. I'm headed to pick my car up today. Ready to see what this thing gonna do, what the difference is between a tune and whatnot. If I'm not mistaken, bro, I remember him saying my pedal box had to be unplugged. I don't know if it is, if it's not. I'm gonna ask him, but either way it go, I'm plugged. I can't drive without my pedal box. Like, I can't, and I don't think it's gonna mess up the tune, so I'm gonna plug my pedal box back up. Like, I just can't drive without my pedal box at all, bro. So, standing in my garage right now, no car. It is completely empty in here, man. So I'm ready to go get my car, man. It's late. We're gonna be in traffic. I was supposed to go pick it up at like 3, but it's 4 o'clock, so we ain't gonna get there till about almost 5. So yeah, it's like an hour away from her. Not an hour, about 45 minutes. The traffic about an hour, so it's gonna be a minute. But I turn the camera back on soon. Anyway, trying to start the car up. Man, get out of here. Trying to let me know she ready. Quit playing. But yeah, I'll turn the camera back on as soon as we make it there. So man, I am back at Starwood Motors, man. As y'all can see, back at Starwood Motors. Y'all know why I'm here, man. I'm picking up my car. Y'all see it in the background. My guy Carlos just tuned it, so we're gonna go on over here and we're gonna see what's happening, see what he got to tell us, see what all they done to the car. You know what I'm saying? So come on with your boy.
Better one, and it actually goes all the way down and pulls in air from right here. So that's what we call a true cold air intake for 392. So you got a little restriction right here is where it flows. You're pulling fresh cool air from right down there at the bottom. Okay. So all the way down in the fender well above the wheel, filters down here, so you're gonna get all the cool air that you need.
So intake go all the way. Intake go all the way in there. All the way in there. So I don't have the other intake y'all used to seeing. Had
you get in it, pretty much the tune's going to be in how you drive it, so you'll be able to feel it. Your shift points are going to be right on point. It's going to go smooth. It's going to gain a little bit of power and a whole lot more torque, especially with that rear end you already got in there. So from here on out, just drive it, and you ain't got no issues, and she's moving.
Yes, sir. Pretty safe. Let's start up, see what she sounds. Pretty sure she gonna sound the same, but. Got my keys there. Which I probably didn't know, because I already got I got a different throttle body. What else I got? I got a different thermostat. That's pretty much all the miles that I got. And now with the tunes and all that, so we're gonna drive it, man. it do. Man, just people call back up. Starwood Motors, y'all can see right here. This is my guy right here, Carlos, that made sure everything was done right, man. I'm just gonna let him shout out everything that y'all need to know if y'all want to get y'all car tuned or any type of mods to y'all cars.
So one of the first things we did to this one was did a actual true cold air intake. There's hundreds of different cold air intakes out there. Some of them are restricted up top as he doesn't have the scoop that actually functions into it. So we put it all the way down, it's into the fender, and it actually grabs air from the scoop at the bottom. So that's what makes it a true cold air intake. It's got a lot of air going through. We basically went in there, he already had the PCM unlocked, had a 180-degree thermostat, so now the coolant and the fan's going to kick on a lot sooner to keep it cooler. The tune, we just basically recalibrated the fuel trims, a lot of other things. The shift points is going to be smoother. It probably picked up anywhere between 30 to 50 wheel horsepower with the intake, and the shift points going to be so much smoother, and you're going to be able to feel the torque instantly. So with that being said, actually we've got open road right here. You want to take it for a spin?
Oh, yeah.
So what we normally do is pull out here, go all the way to the end of the street next to the quick car, and you can stop right there and just make a full pull out. Just be careful because there's a pothole right here and there's a pothole right here, so I don't want you to damage the rim. Just go all the way to the end, make a U-turn in the big parking lot at the end of the road, and then just stop at the food sign and then make your pull all the way through.
Okay. So we finna see what this thing do, man. Finna see what this thing do. See if we can tell the difference. Oh yeah, I can tell the difference in that shift already. I can tell the difference in that shift already. So I'm gonna turn around right here, do a pull, man, for y'all. Y'all see I got it in track mode. We're gonna see if we can tell the difference right away. We're gonna hit this thing, man. Y'all ready? Let's go. Whoa! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I put him to the seat. You still stuck. You still
weird.
stuck? Huh?
I feel weird.
Oh yes, sir. I definitely feel a difference, man. I definitely feel a difference. Definitely feel the difference, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I definitely feel the difference. Definitely, man. I like that. I like that. That's crazy. I like that. Oh yeah, that thing is the truth. That thing is the truth, man. Definitely tell the difference. Definitely. I like that. I like that. Especially in that I wanna say one of them areas.
Yeah, second and third gear is where your power band really is. Third gear, fourth gear on the Hellcats, but yeah, once you hit that power band, you really feel the difference.
I feel it.
So I saw your best time at the track was like 12.7. That should probably be around. Maybe have a second dip on more. Things smaller, I mean, bigger tires, smaller wheels would be a different story of the track, but you're gonna see improved time, and it's gonna be the middle. So that's the key.
I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I like that. Yes, sir. So, man, look. Y'all know where to come, man. Starwood Motors. Y'all just seen, bro. can't get the full effect through the video. Y'all have to be in the car, but trust me, it's a difference. I like it, man. I'm definitely into the the mod now. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all wondering why I'm looking over here, that's because I'm recording her. If y'all wondering why I'm looking over there, it's because I'm recording her too. We got two of them going at the same time. But yeah, man, Starwood Motors, that's the spot. This is where y'all will come. This is all the information that you need right here. Carlos Diaz, man. That's the address, that's the phone number, that's got his cell number on there and everything, man. This is definitely where y'all need to come, for sure. Man, say, bro, I was not capping, bro. It is definitely a difference. Let me go say this now. So the pedal box does work with the tune. It's just he said it doesn't mess anything up and nothing like that. He just felt like it was no need for it. But I don't think people really know about the pedal box. Now, shout out to my guy Carlos. I don't think he just know about the pedal box. So what he was telling me was when you do the tune, they adjust the pedal to take away that lag, and it did. It did take away the lag, but I noticed when I turned my pedal back on, it took away even more lag. It was like still even more crazier than it was. So it does work with the tune. He says it's not gonna mess anything up. I'm good. You know what I'm saying? But this thing is crazy. Let me turn my pedal box back down. Bro, this thing is crazy. Like I like it. Now it ain't like, oh, I got a Hellcat now, but the fact that I can tell the difference, bro. I can literally tell the difference in what he did to my car. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm fine. I'm glad I finally got my tune done. My check engine lights off now because now I got my car tuned for my thermostat. My thermostat had my check engine light on because my car wasn't tuned for it. I just put it in there. So now I got a leg maker intake that's tuned to my car to add more horsepower versus just having an intake. People don't know if you put an intake on, it's not really gonna add that much. It ain't really gonna add the horsepower that it's supposed to add if you don't have it tuned. You know what I mean? So now that it's tuned, I'm getting the full effect of that intake. I'm getting the full effect of that thermostat. My car being colder, running a little harder. You know what I'm saying? So I can definitely tell the difference, man. Definitely tell the difference. Shout out to my guy Carlos. Y'all make sure y'all go up there. That would not be the last y'all heard of him from me. You understand me? But yeah, man. So I like it, man. I'm very satisfied. I gotta get on the freeway and hit it because I think I'm gonna feel it more on my. I was told I feel a lot more on my top end as well, and on my torque. So I'm gonna try to get some room for y'all on the freeway and hit it and see if I can tell the difference on the top end speed. You know what I'm saying? But we definitely in there, man. So as soon as I get a spot to hit it, man, I'll turn the camera back on for y'all. So I got my daddy on the phone, y'all. He don't like it when I do this type of stuff. But I told him I gotta test it. And I'm almost to my exit, so I gotta find a spot. Oh yes, sir. Oh yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We was going up a hill. We was going up a hill right there. And that thing pulling. I ain't even have my pedal box on either. Let me do that with my pedal box on. Let me get y'all right with my pedal box on. Let me turn that on right quick for y'all. Oh, y'all seen it when it kicked in. race you, man. I am not trying to race you on that motorcycle. Look at him. I know y'all heard that motorcycle. He just hit it. I am not trying to race you, brother. That's a booster too. I ain't racing no booster for sure. I race a 600. I ain't racing no booster. I race 1,000, but I ain't racing no booster. Hey, but daddy, I'm alright. I'm done with my testing tune. So we safe. I'm done. I'm done. You ain't got nothing to say?
Who?
You?
No, I ain't got nothing to say.
Yeah.
What is there to say? It ain't nothing to do. What is there to say?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a difference. That's a
Never
difference.
say that.
Huh?
That's what I said. What I was gonna say before you leave. So ain't nothing to say now.
Why why she keep getting behind me? I'm trying to get her to pull over on me at the light. I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her on her and see what she think. She better not get over here. Oh, okay.
I was following you.
Yeah. Let me let my window down. That thing moving. Turn that thing. That copyright. That thing moving. That thing moving. Yes, sir. All right, let the window up. You're going to hit me with copyright. Let the window up. You're going to get me hit with copyright. I'm recording. But, yeah, man, so I'm finna go and take it in, man. I had to let y'all see how that thing was. That thing pulling, man. But, yeah, so I appreciate y'all watching. That's going to be a wrap for this video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, man. I got another banger dropping after this. Stay tuned, because we going to get it dynoed tomorrow. You understand me? But yeah, we gotta get them numbers. So I already got it set to get dynoed tomorrow, so we're gonna do that. But so y'all stay tuned for that. But that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Y'all know how I end down my videos. In the meantime, in between time, to the next video, holla at your boy. I'm out. Yes, sir.